Namaskar. Welcome to Conversations with Rakesh. Here's today's question. Rakesh, I'm a middle manager in a large company. I was quite friendly and collaborative and would do lots of informal communications with everyone. But I was wrong as I let some of my colleagues use this friendliness to get inside my personal space, use my connections, and get their work done. This was a pretty bad experience for me, and then I decided to avoid too much intermingling and communication with colleagues. Just calm say calm, no more informal communication. But now I've been given a feedback that I'm too formal and need to be more collaborative and communicative and very informal. I'm confused. I just don't want to have informal communication with colleagues and maintain my distance. What should I do? Any tips? Very nice question. I'll take the most important part of your question. Should you do informal communication with your colleagues? The answer is a big yes. Please remember that all of us are human beings. Organization is many ways a small social group of people. When people come together, communication is a very common element of friendships, coming closer, bonding, teams, feeling comfortable and safe with each other. And we all know that productive teams trust each other. So it connects with trust and relationships. So if you have good trust and relationships with each other, the comfort in you doing your work is much higher. The performance of the teams are much better. So very important. Should you do informal communication with your colleagues in an office environment? The answer is yes. Does it help you and the whole organization? Big yes. Organizations, so definitely, but will it help you? The answer is again a big yes, because it helps in networking, branding, connections, trust, and relationships. So you asked a question, is it important? Big yes. Now let's go to a little bit deeper inside your problem. I have a feeling that you were a little bit friendly, you were informal with your relationships, and maybe few people misused that. They would have come to you for help, you are a nice person, you would have helped them, they got away and you didn't get anything, so you would have felt bad, hurt. And that's where probably you felt ki yaar ye informal communication, friendship and all is not good. So, don't mix friendship and professional engagements. अपने काम से काम रखो और घर जाओ. So you kind of protected yourself and went inside a shell. And that's where I think the problem is, that somewhere deep inside, you have taken few incidences which have happened to you as a general behavior of human beings. And that's not true. Some people may be bad, but there are others who are okay in your organization. And don't let few bad incidents define your personality and behavior. Be willing to try new things. Now, this doesn't mean that you become over friendly or you become completely shut down. The middle ground. And that's where there was a very nice doha, which was Kabira khada bazaar mein sabki mange khair, na kisi se dosti, na kisi se bair. And this is a very nice point I'd like all of us to mention. And many of us who come from cultures and colleges where, friendship is like full in or nothing, and that is not done. When we were young, we used to choose our friends very carefully. And as we grow older, we are slightly more careful. And these are things that you may want to think through, that you're not expected to be friendly or make friends with everyone in the company. The objective of informal communication in a corporate world is to build trusts and relationships which help you and the organization. It's about being a good citizen inside the company. That's all. You have to be nice to each other, support each other. But that doesn't mean that you just let people come all over you. So you need to have personal spaces. And maybe these 2, 3 people came inside your space, misused your nice nature, and hurt you and you felt bad. But that doesn't mean everybody is bad. So my request number one, please learn to draw some boundaries and lines. Have a growth mindset that, hey, let me be assertive to those people who are coming inside my space, but let me have informal communication, relationships, and trust with everyone. न किसी से दोस्ती न किसी से बैर, सबका भला करो, be nice to people, say hello to people, even if the other person is a little bit, khadus and not good, you do your part and be a good corporate citizen. So now let's come back to some suggestions and tips from my side. The first tip I have for you is that, in every company, there are tea breaks, at least two. There's a lunch break. Use that to do informal communication. That's a very good way for you to use informal environment to have communication. Now, don't jump into friendship. This is na kisi se dosti, na kisi se bair. Just chat with them, get to know each other, find out what's going on, share something light-hearted with each other, and your bonds will become very, very good. You can even do informal communication before the meetings. Go 5 minutes early, catch up with people, and sometimes in hallways, sometimes in parking lots, wherever you get people, catch up. So please find opportunities to be as informally communicative and friendly with people. Now that is very critical. Second thing, many companies do all kinds of things to come together. Participate, make an effort. And your intention is not to become friends with everyone. Your intention is, I'm doing my part. Na kisi se dosti, na kisi se bair. Many times we shut ourselves. Ki nahi, nahi, ye sab main nahi karunga, which is what you have done. Because of a certain bad incident, you've kind of just gone inside a shell and you're saying ki main apna kaam kar raha hu na. But that's not enough. Our organization expects you to be a good corporate citizen. I think that's the feedback. The feedback doesn't mean you're a bad person. The feedback just means that, hey, just, be a little bit more friendly with people, engage in a little bit of informal communication that does not impact you or your work, and, build your trusts and relationship. That's all it means. And the last is very important. Learn to draw a line. If someone has misused it and come inside your space, be assertive. Tell them that, boss, ye nahi chalega. And that's how you deal with such people, and do it very publicly, because this is where everybody gets to know that, hey, you are informal, you're friendly, but that doesn't mean that you are going to be vulnerable for being misused by others. And this happens a lot in various companies where somebody will come ki yaar mera ek kaam kar de, and you are a nice person, aap kar bhi doge, but be assertive. Learn to say no. Mera kaam ye hai, ye mera kaam nahi hai. Aap apna kaam karo. No friendship at that point of time. The problem is some people know how to emotionally blackmail each other. And many of us, including me, I'm, a person like that who has been used by hundreds of people all over the world, even till now. Maybe that's my strength. Does it bother me? Yes. Will I become a person who will go inside a shell? No. Because there is a merit of communication in an informal setting. So I try to maintain my relationships with everyone. So please make sure that you don't take this feedback on yourself. It's a way to become a better manager. Lighten yourself, put your guard, meet people, have informal communication with them, be willing to be open to trust with people. If one person has broken your trust, doesn't mean everybody is a bad person. Go for the growth mindset and make sure that you participate in the lunches and chais and the opportunities for you to have informal conversation. Start with little bit a day. Don't overload and go overboard. Start little bit. See if it works for you. Become comfortable all over again and do it as a habit. And if you do that, I can tell you that it's not just about you feeling good. You'll also create that positive environment around you. And your team becomes much more productive. The company does better. You do better. So should you do informal communication? Yes. How should you do it? Few minutes a day. And make sure that you are not mixing friendship and informal communication. You have to be professional. Na kisi se dosti, na kisi se bair. And if you have some people misusing that, assertive boundary lines and have discussions. And on that note, stay safe.